In this video, you will learn about solving percent problems that include discount and tax. When you come across a word problem that asks you to find a sale price or a tip amount or a tax amount, and then they give you a percentage, one strategy is using a two-way table. And a two-way table just looks like setting up a ratio. So it's a T-chart just like that. And what you do is you put whatever the percent number they give you up in the upper right-hand corner, and you put that over 100. And then, since in this example we're dealing with finding a sale price, you want the discount to be there and the original price, so we'll call that OP, down in the bottom corner. And then what you do is you take that original price and you subtract the discount, and that gives you the sale price. So there's a bit of a process. With your two-way table, because it's set up like a ratio that you're familiar with seeing, you would cross multiply, and then you would divide so that you're able to find that variable discount price. And then you perform this whole subtraction over here on this part to find what your sale price is. So it's not too complicated. It looks more complicated than what it really is. You can use that two-way table also if you're asked to find a tax amount or a tip amount. So it looks just like that. And again, you put whatever the percentage is up in the top right-hand side over 100, because the percentage essentially is out of 100. And then you put your variable T for tip or T for tax up in the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you would write, it depends, because if you have a sale price, then you would write the sale price. Or maybe it's just the original price. So maybe there wasn't a sale and you just need to take that original price and find the tax or the tip amount according to the original price. Now, there are two things to remember. You will add tip or tax to the original price. So tip or tax, those are added to the original price. And you will subtract a discount from the original price. To find the sale price. So let's go ahead and start with a sample problem. It's hockey season, or the end of hockey season. It's the championships, and we know the LA Kings are in it to win it. So here's our problem. A pair of skates has an original price of $80. It's on sale for 25% off. There is a sales tax of 5%. What is the final price for the skates? Now, I don't know about you, but that seemed like a really, really big problem. So when you encounter problems like that, where you have a sale price and a tax amount, you want to break that kind of a larger problem into two shorter ones. So the first problem is to find the sale price. By applying the discount. So that's the first problem. And we remember that since there's the discount, we're going to subtract from the original price in that instance. The second problem is to apply tax. So we need to find out what that tax amount is before we can apply it. Apply tax to, we'll say sale price, because in this case, we'll have a sale price. first problem is, what is the price after the 25% sale? And I'm going to go ahead and use that two-way table I was talking about. I set it up just like that, and I have 25% off out of 100, and the original price, I remember, is $80, and I want to know what that discount is. Now I'm going to cross multiply 100 times D, which will give me 100D, and 80 times 25, and I'm going to go ahead and get my calculator out and multiply 80 times 25, which is 2,000. So now I have 100D equals 2,000. This two-way table works just like the ratios that we've been working with for the last few topics. And I need to isolate that D discount variable. And I get my discount is $20. Now, does that mean that the skates cost $20? Not exactly. It means that I will discount $20 from the original $80. So $80 subtract $20 gives me $60. Not bad, a pair of ice skates for $60. Now we'll move into the second problem. What's the price after the 5% tax? And we have a nice hint here. It says, use the price after the discount. So instead of using the original price down in that bottom left-hand side, I'm going to use the sale price, which was $60. We have a 5% tax out of 100, and I don't know what the tax is. So now I have to cross multiply, just like that. Now I get 100t equals 300, and I'll divide by 100 to get my tax. And my tax is $3. Does that mean that I subtract $3? No, tax is always added to the price that I have. And remember, we have a discount price, so I'll add the tax to the discount price. $60 plus $3 is $63. And that's how much my skates will cost. Now, We had a really good word problem to start with, so we want to supply a really good final response. Let me read that word problem one more time. A pair of skates has an original price of $80. It's on sale for 25% off. There is a sales tax of 5%. What is the final price for the skates? Well, we want to make sure that whoever's reading our response knows that we did a lot of work. So, after applying the 25% discount and 5% tax, the final price for the hockey skates is $63. Not bad if you want to play hockey. I hope this video helped you with calculating percent, tip, tax, and discount. If you need to, rewatch it and pause it throughout the steps so that you're able to work it out on your own as well. Thanks for watching.